Hi, welcome to this installation demo video of ApproveIT 365. In this demo, I'm going to show you how to set up ApproveIT 365 with the installation wizard. Are you looking for the demo on the functional use? Just click the card in the corner to watch that demo. Let's get started. The wizard will guide you through the steps to set up ApproveIT in Business Central and connect it to the DocuSign environment. Once you've downloaded ApproveIT 365 through AppSource, you can use the search bar in Business Central to find the ApproveIT wizard. Click Next to start the wizard. Insert your license key provided by idyn via the email you used to download the app via AppSource. Click Next. In the second step, we will link a DocuSign account. Click the link in the wizard to create an account. In this demo, we have already set up an account with DocuSign. Let's enter the account credentials. Choose your environment type, acceptance or production. Fill in the account ID. This is linked to the DocuSign subscription. When we click Next, we get a pop-up with the following instructions. You are now going to link your DocuSign account to ApproveIT. 1. To authenticate, you will be redirected to the DocuSign login page. 2. Enter your DocuSign credentials and accept the requested permissions. 3. Copy the URL of the page you are redirected to and paste it in the next page that is shown in the wizard. Click Yes to start the authentication. Log on to DocuSign with the credentials you want to link to Business Central. If you get an error page looking like the one on screen, no worries. Just copy the URL from the bar and paste it into the next step of the wizard. This URL is your authentication code. Click Yes. The authentication is successful. Next, we can set up some defaults for the emails used in ApproveIT. We use an example of a sales quote as the email subject and as the body. We write a short email that will accompany the documents when sent out. We can also set up some automatic behaviors for approval. You can choose to allow restarts, release signed documents only, auto-release signed documents, auto-convert quotes to order. Click Next and finish. You have now finished the setup wizard of ApproveIT 365. Download our app from the Microsoft AppSource to start using it today. Thank you for watching this demo. Next, we'll take a look on how to use ApproveIT on a sales order. Click the video on screen to continue.